we're going to look at some examples as well. So the change of base formula looks like this. We can convert any logarithm into any other base we want. We just have to write it as the ratio of the logarithm of base, whatever base we choose, of A, and over the logarithm base C of B. So the top number here is going to be at the top, and the bottom number, or our previous base, is going to be at the bottom. So to prove this, let's take, for example, logarithm base 4 of 25. And this is going to be equal to some number C. So from the definition of logarithms, we know that this actually means that 4 raised to the C power is going to be equal to 25. Now I can take the logarithm of both sides of any base I want. For example, 10. So I will have logarithm base 10 of 4c equals logarithm base 10 of 25. Now there is a property of logarithms that allows me to take this power and send it here. So that would be c times logarithm base 10 of 4 equals logarithm base 10 of 25. Then I can divide both sides by this logarithm base 10 of 4. So now if we go back, we can see that c is the same thing as logarithm base 4 of 25. So we can substitute c for that. So we changed the base of this logarithm from base 4 to base 10. And that is the proof of the change of base formula. Now let's look at some examples. We want to change this logarithm into base 10. So remember, it's going to be written as the ratio of two logarithms of the base we wanted to convert. So that's going to be logarithm base 10 of the top number over logarithm base 10 of this bottom number. Now let's look at a more interesting example. So we're going to have to evaluate this logarithm. So here the question is, what base should we choose? That will allow us to compute this logarithm without a calculator. So notice that if I were to change it to base 2, this is the same as 2 raised to what power, let's call it p, equals 16. So if I raise 2 to the power of 4, I will get 16. Now, what about 8? What number can I raise to the power of to get 8? So that is going to be 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So logarithm base 8 and this is going to be equal to 4/3, and that is our final answer. Another example, we're going to convert the natural logarithm of 3 into base 6. So that's going to be 3. And what do we have at the bottom? Logarithm base 6 of what? Remember that the natural logarithm has at its base the number e. So this is logarithm base 6 of e.